Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Razr 60 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find the About phone. Then let's go to Device Identifiers and Localize build number. Now all you need to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So now after activating, we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system. Now simply tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So among others, you can show view updates, you can change window animation scale, you can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some connection options, etc. And basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got the option with the switcher, simply tap on it to activate it, and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on the switcher which is pinned to the very top of the screen to actually turn off the developer options. As you can see, they are inactive, and after getting back, they will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.